Hi, I'm Karim Lakhani, professor at the Harvard Business School, co-director of the Laboratory for Innovation Science at Harvard, and co-founder of the Harvard Business School Digital Initiative. I'll be talking about my new book, Competing in the Age of AI, which argues that the ways in which we run our enterprises, the ways in which we run our organizations and our companies is being changed radically because of artificial intelligence. We'll be talking about how AI changes both your business model and your operating model. I hope you can join me. Thank you. So my new book, Competing in the Age of AI, co-authored with my friend and colleague here at Harvard Business School, really tries to make sense of the ways in which the world is changing because AI has become so prevalent in our lives. Most of us have smartphones, and these smartphones and all the services that we might use for music, for photos, for social media, for content consumption are now being powered through AI systems. And we don't actually think about that. We just take those services for granted. But underneath it all are widely deployed AI systems that have been developed to make predictions, to do pattern recognition, and to drive automation. And this change of all of us in the age of AI means that how we run our businesses, how we run our enterprises are going to be radically affected. And this book tries to lay out what the main questions are, right? And provide lots of examples on issues that executives and managers and technical leaders need to resolve as all of us get pulled into competing in the age of AI.